This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Mary Jo Williams. Private, 2.5-acre gated property with some improvements like the huge metal workshop with 7,000 hash car lift, 220 steel beam cantilever, insulated office area and much, much more. Convenient to the St. Johns River, Deland, Eustis and Paisley in this mostly rural area, bordering state-owned lands near the Seminole Forest. Bring the horses, watercrafts and all the toys to enjoy full-time or part-time. Offered as is, appointment only, so call your realtor today. For more information, review the details below or contact Mary Jo Williams at 352-516-6736.